Why turmeric? Turmeric, and its active compound curcumin, has been celebrated for centuries for its medicinal properties. Curcumin is a low molecular weight hydrophobic polyphenol that offers a wide range of biological activities, including anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-proliferative, and antimicrobial effects. These properties make turmeric a potent ally for improving digestion and gut health. Additionally, curcumin's ability to soothe the gut lining can provide relief from conditions like IBS and acid reflux. Curcumin has demonstrated promising therapeutic results in small studies for both inflammatory and neoplastic bowel disorders. With improved bioavailability, it's reasonable to anticipate even greater efficacy in treating a variety of digestive diseases. This innovative approach holds great promise for addressing both functional and organic digestive issues. How to use turmeric. Incorporate turmeric powder into soups, stews, and curries to enhance flavor and boost digestive health. Consider curcumin phytosome supplements for enhanced bioavailability. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. Adding a teaspoon of turmeric powder to your smoothie can enhance its nutritional value and support digestive health by leveraging the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of curcumin. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder to hot water, along with a pinch of black pepper to enhance absorption. Turmeric is truly a magical ingredient for your health, offering numerous benefits that can transform your digestive well-being and overall vitality.